Oh, listen, I've gotten so far behind on my stickers, but I'm gonna try to catch them up. This video is only about the stickers, okay? First one is, I did get one from Jill Marie Chambers that runs a little dog academy for Canines for Christ. And she sent me a little magnet of her sugar, what's it called? Her sugar glider magnet. So this was sent in January, here it is March. Now she did send with a lovely card. I'm not gonna, a lovely card and a magnet. So let's get Jill Chambers out of there. Jill Marie Chambers, okay, she'll go up on the board. All of them will go up on the board. Now I did get this here hiker's head from Metro on the Move, Andy. He made 50 of these, and he signed the back like this, 1 of 50 to Senior Hiker 77, which means I can't pull this sticker off. You'd never know it was 1 of 50. So I'm gonna put a little piece of Scotch tape up here, and he'll go up on the board. And he'd also send a nice little card along with his hiker head. So thank you, Andy, for that. He's going to go up there too. Now, PFAM 5. I had the opportunity to meet Jason down at Cumberland Island Ferry. He sent a nice little note and sent me a few stickers. PFAM 5. They'll go up on the board too. Okay. And then Jim Hayes Hiking. He sent me a few of his stickers and a nice little note here. Thank you, Jim. Grandfather Mountain's back there. But he sent me little stickers, so they're gonna go up on the board. Jim Hayes Hiking. And Virginia. All right. Then I just had the opportunity to meet Taylor and Rachel from Southern Hike right here. In fact, this weekend I met both of those at the Beach Bottom campsite, and he sent a nice little card too. So Taylor and Rachel, you going up on the board. Also, here's another one, Grateful Trekker. Got a sticker from him. Now, last week I was had the opportunity to meet J. Ben Hikes. He was up at the Appalachian Trail kickoff, so I got a couple of his stickers. Thank you, J. Ben. And while I was there, met J. Ben, but right after that I met Leonidas. He was there too. And then I got a nice little note from Tim Buckley, Backpacking with Buckley, sent me some of his stickers. And it's gonna go up on the board too. Now, Steps by Katja. Had the opportunity to hike with her on Cumberland Island, and she gave me a big sticker, and she'll go up on the board. Now I've already got her sticker. It's up there, but the 2 little ones, and I'm gonna put this right over top of the 2 little ones. All right, next we have Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping Adventures. Lower Michigan have their stickers, 2 little ones and a big one, and got some more little ones. Got 4 little ones, and a big one. So Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping Adventures. You might want to check all these channels out. They're all worthwhile. I subscribe to all of them and love each and every one of them. But anyway, I'm not going to make you watch me put them up on the board, but I'm going to stick them up on the board now. I don't know when I'm going to release this video, but this is going to be one when I need to fill in for 1 week. So thanks for watching. Hope everybody's happy.